Singapura ya, Direktur ABS di Singapura. Jadi ABS itu adalah
eksklusif distributor untuk produk dari QEI bowling.
Oke, jadi pembuat produk bowling betul. Lane. Dan sebelahnya adalah Mr. Galvin Wong. Beliau adalah Sales Manager ABS Bowling. Ya, dua-duanya datang dari Singapura. Jadi ini suatu hal yang luar biasa karena ada kejuaraan bowling dunia, ya kan? Maka kita kedatangan orang-orang hebat ini. You are the great man, okay? Yang khusus datang dari pabriknya. So, how do you think about event World Bowling?
The bowling
World Cup. Yes.
We are very excited that the Bowling World Cup is currently in Palembang.
Yeah.
It's the first time since almost 40 years ago that the last World Cup was held in Jakarta. Yes.
Yeah.
So we're very excited that after the Asian Games in Palembang that we are now hosting the Bowling World Cup in South Sumatra and Palembang.
Yeah. So how about competition? So far is running well or not?
The competition, the official bowling started yesterday.
Yeah.
So far everything's been going very well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So how about the enthusiasm of Palembang community, especially in bowling?
The support has been incredible.
Yeah.
Leading into the Asian Games, continuation into the Bowling World Cup, the overall support in Palembang has been incredible.
Incredible,
Yes.
yeah.
We look forward to growing the sport of bowling in Palembang, in South Sumatra, and in all of Indonesia by supporting and helping support an educational program.
Education program, jadi maksudnya Mr. Murray ini datang dari pabriknya langsung, terlebih untuk menyosialisasikan bagaimana bowling bisa tumbuh dari bawah, especially for children.
Yeah. Starting with children and upwards.
Yeah. Okay. Jadi bisa tumbuhnya itu justru dari pelajar, from student. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Starting from
starting
probably around primary 3 onwards. Primary 3, 8-9 years old.
Dari umur 8 tahun itu usia paling ideal ya? Usia paling ideal, very ideal age ya?
Yes.
To start bowling. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
How about if compare with Singapore, bowling Indonesia and Singapore?
Dari anak-anak,
especially for the student range.
Singapore has a very well-established school program and educational program. They also have a sports academy, a sports school, and it's a great program. We are still in early stages of discussions, but we are looking to start from the ground up, from primary school level up, and work closely with the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Ministry of Education, and work together with the local bowling federation and also with the Persatuan Bowling Indonesia.
Ya, oke. Jadi maksudnya Mr. Murray datang ke sini juga adalah ingin menyosialisasikan sedemikian rupa dari usia belia dan kemudian bekerja sama. Tentu ini masih berupa wacana, tapi sesegera mungkin karena melihat responnya bagus, maka kemudian akan disosialisasikannya ke level pemerintah lokal, tetapi juga akan sampai ke tingkat nasional. Also only to Ministry of and Sport, ya. You has already talked to him or no?
With the minister?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
No. So maybe you can also talk to him.
We hope so.
Ya.
We hope so.
Supaya apa, Mbak? Supaya ini kemudian bisa menjadikan misalkan ada kepres atau ada apa seperti itu bisa diperjuangkannya melalui tingkat kementerian lebih tinggi, bisa diantar, Mbak.
So they also hope we can talk with the ministry, but we have to plan, of course,
Naik ke level yang
youth and sport will be have the meeting first with all department for this
Sure.
program.
Ya.
Sure.
Oke, jadi itulah kita sudah berdiskusi dengan Mr. Murray dan juga Mr. Galvin Wong. Kita harapkan tentu kehadiran bowling, apalagi kita punya rumah bowling yang sedemikian megah di Jakabaring Sport City, itu betul-betul berguna bagi masyarakat bukan hanya Sumatera Selatan, tetapi juga Indonesia dan juga bahkan tingkat Asia. Bisa diterjemahin, Mbak?
Okay, so this is very important opportunity not
Yes.
only for South Sumatra but for Indonesia itself.
Yes,
Program.
yes.
Oke,
We look forward to it.
oke, thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
very
Thank
much.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Appreciate it.